Good morning, students. Today we shall start exercise 12.2, in which you will be learning about angles and its measurement. Okay, so look at question number 1. Which angle is smaller in each of the following pairs of marked angles? Okay, see here we will compare two angles, which is greater or smaller. Okay, so look at question number 1. It is asking which is smaller, and in question number 2 it is asking which is greater. Okay, so once you will understand question number 1, you will be able to do question number 2. Okay, so let's look at question number 1. See, I have already prepared 8 questions for you. See here, this is question number 1a. Angle CDE and angle PQR is given, and we have to compare. So let's write first angle CDE. Okay, this is the sign of angle CDE. CDE. Okay, now leave this space. Now write angle PQR. Angle PQR. Now just look at both the angles, which is smaller. Angle CDE, the value of angle CDE, the degree of angle CDE is 65 degree and PQR is 40 degree. Which is smaller? 40 degrees smaller. It means PQR is smaller. So the sign will be like this. Okay. Okay. Similarly, or you can make a box like this. Okay. Simple. Let's look at question number E. See here, in the single figure, there are two angles. Okay. Let's look at angle ABC is given and angle ABD is given, or angle CBD is given. Okay. So look at here carefully. Look at here. See here, one angle is this. This is one angle. Okay. Okay. So what is the name of this angle? ABC. This is angle ABC. Let's write it. Angle ABC. Okay. Make a box. And then angle CBD. See this angle. CBD. Write it. Angle CBD. Now just look at it carefully. Which is greater? What is the value of this? Value is not given, but with the size of this angle we can easily say which is greater, which is smaller. So angle ABC is this, and angle CBD is this. So with the help of this given or marked part, we can say that angle CBD is smaller. So the sign will be like this. Okay, so the other questions is homework for you from question number 1. So you can do question number B, C, D, F by yourself. Okay. Now let's move to question number 2. Question number 2 is similar to question number 1, but here you need to show which is greater. You need to show which is greater. Okay. Now here also angles are marked. See this part. This is showing angle ABC. So let's write angle ABC. Okay, make this box, and then angle CBD. This part. Okay, this part. Look at this part. Okay, CBD. Angle CBD. Now just tell me which is greater, angle ABC or CBD. ABC is greater, so put a sign like this. Okay, greater sign. Okay, now so other questions from question number 2 can be done easily. So try doing these questions by yourself. Homework question number B, C and D. This is very simple exercise. Okay, Now let's move to question number 3. Look at this question. See, a figure is given, and you have to measure these given angles. Okay, see here, the measurement of angle is not given. But we can easily identify, as see, the parts are equally divided. If I'll hide a part, you can easily find out. See here, if I'm hiding this, look at this only line. This is showing 180 degree straight angle. 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree. See, if I hide this, look at this angle ABF. Look at angle ABF. This is 90 degree. And see, 90 degrees divided into 3 equal parts. 90 degrees divided into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it means if 90 is divided by 3, you're finding each angle is of how many degree? 30 degree. So each angle is of 30 degree. Clear? Now, with the help of this, it means all the angles, divided angles, are of 30 degree only. Now let's find out what is the measurement of each given angle. So look at this. I have prepared this for you. So look at this. So let's mark all the angles first. All the angles. Okay. All the angles. Each angle is of 30 degree only, as it is divided equally. Okay. See, I have not used a protector. You will be using a protector to draw this. Okay. See, each angle is of 30 degree. Now look at the question. The question is asking you the measurement of, what is the measure of angle ABD. So let's find where is angle ABD. Angle ABD. See, look at here. Look at this part. Angle ABD. What is the measure of angle ABD? 30 degree. So write it here. 30 degree, like this you have to do. Okay. Now let's move to question number B. Angle ABE it is asking. Okay. So here angle ABE. Angle ABE. In between you find there are two angles, 30 degree plus 30 degree. So 30 plus 30 how much? 60. So write it 60. 60 degree. Okay. Now let's move to question number G. CBG. Angle CBG. CBG. It means you need to hide these parts. Okay. CBG. In between CBG you find there are two angles. Okay. 30 degree plus 30 degree. How much? 60 degree. So write it 60 degree. So like this you can easily identify the measure of each given angle. Okay. If somebody is asking what is the measure of angle CBE? See, CBE. See, in between CBE you have how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 30 into 4, 120 degree. 30 into 4, 120 degree. So like this you can find out the measure of each given angle here. So here other questions from question number C, D, E, F and H you can easily measure and find out. Okay, so try doing these questions by yourself. Okay, now let's move to question number 4. In question number 4 it is asking which of the following angles are acute, right or obtuse. Which of the following angles are acute, right or obtuse? You have to identify. Just look at the measure of each angle and find out. See here, in the previous class I explained you on the basis of measurement of angle we can find, we have given the name. Okay, see, if it is of 90 degree, if it is 90 degree angle, it has a name. What is the name of this angle? Yes, right angle. Okay, right angle. On the basis of measurement of an angle we can say that if it is exactly 90 degree it is a right angle. If it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, It is an obtuse angle. So here it is 100 degree. 100 degree is an obtuse angle. If an angle is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, we're calling this as acute angle. What? Acute angle. See here 50 degree is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So write acute angle. Clear? Like this, you just name the given angles. So other questions D, E, F, G you will be doing by yourself. Homework. Question D, E, F and G. Okay, try doing these questions by yourself. So today we are doing up to question number 4. In the next class we will be learning how to measure and draw an angle. How to measure and draw an angle using protractor. Okay, प्रोटेक्टर की मदद से हम कैसे एंगल्स को मेजर करेंगे एंड ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो टुडे वी आर डूइंग अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वी विल बी डूइंग फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. ओके, सो टिल देन complete these questions in your notebook. Okay, thank you.